What up, people? Just wanted to talk to you guys about the Arsenal leg press. So, couple little things that I want to highlight on this. First thing being, if you want to adjust the pad and the angle that you're squatting at, you can go up or you can drop it down. You'll just make sure that that's locked in here. For adding weight, you have the two different pegs that you can add from. Obviously, it's going to depend on how much weight you're using. What I really like about this leg press is it has a large foot sled. So what you're going to do is you're just going to place your legs about shoulder length apart, push up. You're going to unrack by flipping these down. You're going to grab these handles to keep yourself mounted, and then as you squat down, you're just going to open up your hips, drive back all the way, press up. So it's super nice. Another thing that I like about this is it has this little foot pad. So if you wanted to do Bulgarians, you can put your heel on that and just come down and press up if you want to do single leg squats. Another thing to highlight, if you don't want the weight to come all the way down on you, you can pull this pin and you can adjust it up just so you have the safety stopper. You can pull it back down. You can adjust this based off your height. So if you're a little taller like me, you can go all the way up. If you need to bring it down, you can drop it on the mid peg. And then if you get stuck and you're about to drop it on you, you can rack it all the way to here and then just use someone to unload the weight and then re-rack it safely. So those are a few of the highlights on the Arsenal leg press.